Hot stuff coming through. 17 brand new recipes were fresh out of the oven and ready to be served and critiqued during our Taste Test 2024.
This is some of the fun parts of my job, is getting to see the students and having them taste something new that they've never, like today we're doing grilled asparagus. So I don't know how the kids are going to receive it, but we'll see.
The Nutrition Department has been cooking up a storm inside the Crescent kitchen, hoping to find the secret recipe that'll have students asking for seconds.
I want to make sure our customers are happy with what we're serving them, and this gives them a chance to use their voice and make their opinion count.
Our staff ladled Fiesta chicken soup, garnished birria flatbread, and passed out the Parmesan pasta.
It tasted really cheesy. It also tasted really good, like my mom's spaghetti. And I just really like it.
With sodium restrictions getting tighter, our staff is getting creative with different seasonings and international inspiration to bring out the flavor.
Those are so good.
Today we're bringing in students from a couple of schools around the district to sample the food that we've made for them and then get their opinion. If they like it, they don't like it, is what we want to know. Because they're our customers. If it's something that they're not going to eat, then I don't want to put it on the menu.
And they have a few hits.
The waffle sandwich. The cheese bites. The waffle sandwich.
And a few misses.
The hummus. It tastes like peanut butter and it doesn't really taste very good. It would probably be the asparagus, probably. It kind of tastes a little weird.
When all the opinions are accounted for, only the most mouth-watering meals will be put in rotation. We are Greenfield, dedicated to children.